Hey friends, welcome to you Happy Dappy. So friends, today we will learn the bird's name. Parrot. 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 These are beautiful parrots. This is a green parrot. This is a green parrot. Pigeon. 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 This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. Dove. 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 This is a dove. This is a dove. Eagle. 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 This is a eagle. This is a eagle. Owl. 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 This is owl. This is owl. Lovebirds. 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 This is a lovebird. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. These are hummingbirds. Duck. 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 These are ducks. Ducks. Penguin. 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 These are penguins. Penguin. Swan. 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 This is a beautiful swan. Ostrich. Ostriche. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Goose. Goose. This is a goose. Crow. Crow. This is a crow. This is a crow. Sparrow. 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 These are beautiful sparrows. Swan. Swan. This is a swan. Peacock. 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 This is a peacock. This is a peacock. Hen. Hen. This is a hen. These are hens. Cook. Cook. This is a cook. This is a cook. Kiwi. Kiwi. This is a kiwi bird. This is a kiwi bird. Turkey. 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 This is a turkey.
Falcon. 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 This is a falcon. This is a falcon. Thanks for watching Happy Dappy. If you are new, don't forget to like and subscribe.